Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to Travels, the place where we break the boundaries of the ordinary. Today's video is about exploring the most 10 underrated travel destinations in the world. Let's begin and explore the best travel destinations in the world. While the world's popular tourist destinations shine brightly, there are hidden gems that often escape the spotlight. These underrated travel destinations offer a unique blend of culture, natural beauty, and authenticity that's off the beaten path. Join us as we embark on a journey to uncover 10 underrated travel destinations that deserve a place on your travel bucket list. Number 10. Montenegro, Adriatic Gem. Nestled along the Adriatic Sea, Montenegro boasts a stunning coastline and charming medieval towns. While its neighbor Croatia often takes the limelight, Montenegro offers its own enchanting beauty. The Bay of Kotor's fjord-like landscape, the island church of Our Lady of the Rocks, and the walled city of Budva are just a few of Montenegro's hidden treasures. Each step through the narrow alleys of Kotor reveals stories etched in stone, while the panoramic view from the city walls sweeps across the serene blue waters and terracotta rooftops. Budva's old town is a labyrinth of history, with its Venetian architecture and vibrant atmosphere. Meanwhile, the Sveti Stefan Island Hotel is a luxury retreat, set against a backdrop of turquoise seas and sandy beaches, creating a haven of indulgence and relaxation. Number 9. Armenia, Ancient Wonders. With a history dating back to ancient times, Armenia is a land of archaeological riches and breathtaking landscapes. The country's capital, Yerevan, is one of the world's oldest continuously inhabited cities. Explore the Garni Temple, the stunning Gegard Monastery carved into the rock, and the haunting Kor Vairat Monastery with Mount Ararat as its backdrop. The Garni Temple is a testament to Armenia's pagan past, perched on a plateau overlooking a canyon. Gegard Monastery's intricate carvings reveal stories of devotion etched into the rock, while Kor Vairat's location offers a glimpse of the iconic Mount Ararat, an image that echoes the journey of Noah's Ark. Yerevan, with its blend of Soviet-era architecture and modern vibrancy, invites you to stroll through history and embrace the city's evolving identity. Number 8. Romania, Europe's undiscovered jewel. Romania's landscapes are as diverse as they are captivating, from the mysterious forests of Transylvania to the painted monasteries of Bukovina. While Dracula's legend often overshadows the country's true charm, the fortified churches of the Saxon villages, the medieval town of Sibiu, and the stunning castles like Pelos and Bran showcase Romania's true allure. The fortified churches of Transylvania offer a glimpse into the region's history of defense and community, each a testament to resilience against invasions. Bran Castle's imposing silhouette captures the imagination with its association to Dracula, while Pelos Castle is a fairy tale palace nestled in the Carpathian Mountains. Sibiu's cobbled streets and colorful houses weave a story of medieval life, while the painted monasteries of northern Romania are windows into the Orthodox faith, adorned with vibrant frescoes that tell tales of devotion. Number 7. New Zealand's South Island, nature's playground. While New Zealand is celebrated for its breathtaking scenery, the South Island often stands in the shadow of the North Island's fame. From the turquoise waters of Lake Tekapo to the dramatic fjords of Milford Sound and the rugged beauty of Aoraki/Mount Cook National Park, the South Island offers a symphony of natural wonders. Lake Tekapo's vibrant hue reflects the majesty of the Southern Alps, while Milford Sound's misty cliffs and cascading waterfalls evoke a sense of ancient wilderness. The Kepler Track offers an immersive trek through diverse landscapes, leading to stunning viewpoints that command panoramic vistas of nature's grandeur. In Aoraki/Mount Cook National Park, the tallest peak in New Zealand towers above icy blue lakes and alpine meadows, a true testament to the island's wild beauty. Number 6. Myanmar, temples and tranquility. Myanmar, also known as Burma, remains a lesser-explored corner of Southeast Asia. The ancient city of Bagan boasts a vast landscape of over 2,000 temples, each telling its own story. The serene Inal Lake, with its stilted villages and floating gardens, offers a glimpse into a traditional way of life that's as enchanting as it is rare. Beguines temples rise from the plains like spiritual sentinels, each a masterpiece of architecture and devotion. As the sun sets behind the stupas, the landscape transforms into a canvas of golden hues that captivates the soul. Inal Lake's tranquil waters reflect the surrounding mountains and traditional fishermen who glide gracefully on their narrow boats. The Intha people's villages on stilts offer a unique glimpse into a harmonious coexistence with the water. Number 5. Portugal's Algarve, coastal paradise. While Lisbon and Porto steal the spotlight, Portugal's Algarve region offers a quieter coastal escape. With its golden cliffs, hidden coves, and picturesque fishing villages, the Algarve is a postcard-perfect destination. Explore the rugged beauty of Sagres, the historic charm of Lagos, and the stunning beaches that line the coastline. The Algarve's beaches are a tapestry of natural beauty, where turquoise waters meet golden sands and limestone cliffs frame the scenery. Praia da Marinha's iconic arches and grottos invite exploration, while Ponta da Piedade offers panoramic views that take your breath away. The town of Sagres, perched on the southwestern tip of Europe, is steeped in maritime history and offers a front-row seat to the Atlantic's wild beauty. Number 4. Mongolia, land of the nomads. Mongolia's vast steppes and nomadic culture are often overlooked in favor of more well-known travel destinations. The Gobi Desert's otherworldly landscapes, the serenity of Turelj National Park, and the chance to experience traditional nomadic life with the locals make Mongolia an unforgettable and authentic adventure. The Gobi Desert's shifting sands reveal an ever-changing terrain that holds ancient secrets and fossils. In Turelj National Park, the vast landscapes give way to granite formations and lush valleys, offering a glimpse into Mongolia's diverse ecosystems. Embracing the nomadic lifestyle allows you to connect with the land and its people, experiencing the rhythm of life where simplicity and hospitality are cherished. Number 3. Greece's Peloponnese, myth and history. While Athens and the Greek islands draw visitors, the Peloponnese offers a rich tapestry of ancient history and myth. From the awe-inspiring ruins of Mycenae to the stunning coastal town of Naplio and the mystical ancient theater of Epidaurus, the Peloponnese is a journey through time and culture. Mycenae's Lion's Gate stands as a testament to the Bronze Age civilization that thrived here, while the ancient theater of Epidaurus boasts unparalleled acoustics that transport you to a bygone era. Naplio's Venetian architecture and seafront charm offer a blend of history and relaxation. Number 2. Bolivia, Andean Majesty. Bolivia's Andean landscapes and indigenous cultures create a unique and authentic travel experience. While it shares a border with the tourist hotspot of Peru, Bolivia's Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat, is a surreal natural wonder. The colonial charm of Sucre and the vibrant markets of La Paz offer a glimpse into Bolivia's diverse identity. Salar de Uyuni's mirror-like surface stretches as far as the eye can see, creating an otherworldly experience where sky and land merge. In Sucre, the White City's colonial architecture and tranquil plazas offer a peaceful escape, while La Paz's vibrant markets and bustling energy provide a glimpse into everyday life. Number 1. Philippines, Archipelago paradise. While Boracay and Palawan are well known, the Philippines' lesser-known islands offer pristine beaches and vibrant marine life. The chocolate hills of Bohol, the hidden paradise of Siargao with its surfing spots, and the unique Tabataha Reef's natural park showcase the Philippines' unspoiled beauty. The chocolate hills evoke a sense of wonder as their symmetrical mounds turn chocolate brown during the dry season, an enigma of nature. Siargao's waves draw surfers from around the world, while Tabataha Reef's natural park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that teems with marine biodiversity. That's it. In a world of well-trodden paths, these underrated travel destinations beckon you to step off the familiar trails and embrace the allure of the unknown. From the Adriatic charm of Montenegro to the ancient wonders of Armenia, each destination offers a unique narrative waiting to be explored. Embark on a journey of discovery and let these hidden gems rewrite the story of your travel experiences. Thanks to those who watched until the end of the video. If you want more, you will find videos in the description that you may like. Thank you to those who subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.